Hello everyone, my name is Danny. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the ChatGPT to our trading. We're going to go for some of the stupid question about the ChatGPT and see what is the response. We're going to go in for the ChatGPT. If you don't have it account, it's really cool stuff to dig into it. And it's going to the chat.openai.com. And we're gonna go in for the stupid question: how to make a big gain on trading. Making gain on the trading is not simple task and involves taking risk. Here are some of the tips that you achieve this goal: research and analyze before making It's 5 tips. They give us the 6 tip about the trading. Pretty good thing: research and analyze. That's basic thing. And develop and trading strategy. Second thing, risk management. Wow. And stay disciplined. Learn from your mistake. That's really amazing. Ask the question, the answer that I give it to us. It's really amazing, actually, to be honest with you. And we're gonna go in for the trading view, and we're gonna make some change cool stuff together with the ChatGPT. Now we're gonna understand that ChatGPT is working with the trading view or not. Can we make a one of the script that is made by in the trading view? Can you convert to the ChatGPT or not? We're gonna go in for the one of the indicator. I just want to use a 3M SMA. We're gonna go in for the source. No. We're gonna go in for the source and copy this one to ChatGPT. Gonna copy this one to the ChatGPT. All right, yeah, they understand the trading view script. And that's it. Just want to generate a one thing that is I need to make it. Just want to go in for the something different. I'm gonna make it this one as a signal. Give us this like a kind of give me the good signal or not. Can you make this script to personalize? Yep. Just what? MACD indicator stop. We're not talking about the MACD now. We just wanna make a script to give me buy and sell signal if the price is above MA, for example, SMA or MA, SMA, 20, give a buy signal, and if price below SMA 20, give me sell signal. Sure. We're gonna go in for this one. And I'm gonna copy this one script, and going for the, just want to make a copy of this one. SMA signal. Just want to save it, and now we can change a copy of that one. Just want to copy this script that we make it, and save it. And we're gonna add it to the chart. Yep. We're gonna just, yep, that's correct. We make it, but we need to get a back test from it, because that is the R signal. But we're gonna go in for the more, that is a script that is ChatGPT make it for us. We're gonna go in for the more advanced for that one. Just want to find the one thing that is, you know, pretty good, because it's over the moving average 20. They give me the like a show, they make a one script for me that is give me the like a buy and sell signal, and it's pretty accurate too. They give me this one, and press OK. Just want to change this strategy to, I'm gonna go in for the ChatGPT again. Can you customize duration to be changed? Yep, that is. Wow, pretty accurate. I reckon a lot of people that you do the coding is gonna be out of the job. I'm just wanna go in for the script again. I don't want to this one. I'm gonna grab this one to the SMA signal one. Just want to keep that one and make a duplicate. If you have any mistake, we don't use lose that one first. We're gonna go in for the delete those one signal one, and paste this one, and save it and add it to the chart. Just want to add it to the chart. Wow, that is amazing. The 3 SMA is being customized by the number now. It's 30. We're gonna go in for the 30 now. We're gonna, first one being deleted. Now we're gonna go in for, pretty much done for us. It's like a 50. Wow, it's customized by the, I just want to change the color to the white. It's more clear and maybe more thicker. As you can see here, the input, when they change the input as well, is gonna be change our thing as well. It's gonna be change the sell and buy signal as well. That's pretty amazing. And now we're gonna go in for the next part. Before I start the next part, if they added value to you, please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll be talking about the trading, and I'm not gonna sell the dream to anyone. We're talking about the reality on the market, how to become the profitable trader. And you can follow my Discord channel as well. I'll leave a link in the description. It's completely free. And let's get a start. We're gonna go in for the, another time we're gonna go in for the indicator and search for the MA again. We're gonna come down and choose the main one. This is a script for us. We're gonna go in for the script and make a copy by clicking here again, and we're gonna write it down. Test MA moving average, and we're gonna go into the buy, and so gonna go in for the save it, and that is coming over for us, and we're gonna make a copy of those one by and copy. We're gonna go in for the trading ChatGPT, paste our script here. That is telling us what's that. I just want to write it down. Can you make a buy and sell signal when MA moving average? Let's write that to moving average crossing over just create a for us and waiting for just copy this one and gonna come back to update this one. Gonna come back control. Yes, when the do this one is gonna be coming as a two moving averages is crossing over. They give it us the buy signal. And when the crossing over is gonna be give us the buy signal by the here. And if you remember, when they open this one as well, can you go for this one and see what? Yep, we can customize as well. 9 and 20. We can put it any number that we want. 20 and 50. Yeah, that's correct. They give it to us this one. That need to be back tested, to be honest with you. If you are familiar with the indicator, you can make your own indicator by this way, but you need to, it's completely wrong to do the by the just only indicator. You can going for the trade. That is completely wrong. And the final thing about this one, it's really good to make your couple of the indicator for the free account, combine it in the one. For example, add a one. If you are a little bit play around with that, you can add a couple of indicator as a one that you normally use it, and don't pay for the trading view premium or pro, right? It's really good for this one if you're, but keeping in mind being the secret. And thank you so much for watching. If you wanna, I'm gonna show you how to do it. Leave a comment for me. I'm gonna tell you how to do it though. Just play around with that. It's not really difficult, but just play around with that. And thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.